All right, guys, this is the 65th hard request on the 2018 list. Sting, My One and Only Love. Great jazzy piano lesson in this if you've never heard it. Jazzy piano part, I mean. Look it up, Sting, My One and Only Love. Let's take a listen. So right there at that point at the double bar, the singing starts. So we start off with, it's really just an F chord, but we have this to start with. D, D sharp, E, 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna hold that E with your third finger while you do the fifth finger on the beat. Da, 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 da. The left hand has F, C, F, of course. C, A, G, F, so da, da, da. There we have F, D flat, F, right hand, B flat, E flat. We'll roll that all up. Then we'll play G, E flat with the left hand, F again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So from the beginning. 3, 4, and then this is an E chord. So that beautiful F, C, A. 5, 2, 1. If you can't reach it, just kind of pivot on that second finger to roll it. The right hand, E flat, G, B natural, D natural. Then C, A, C as you continue to hold that left hand. Change your pedal. And then this. So it's G, E flat with 4, 2. You keep holding the E flat and the G as well, but you add C and A flat on the next measure, left hand, G flat, D flat, B flat, then E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, E flat, and then a D flat at the end. Let's do it all, and 3, 4. Where the singing is. We do, of course, all the lessons are on webpianoteacher.com. We did our part 1 here. Teach you the whole thing on the website as well as over the years. Hope you guys enjoy this part 1. See you on the website.